Hi, my name's Trey Dew. I'm support engineer here at Solutions. Today I'll be showing you how to set up a simple text file data source in SmartConnect.com. So from the dashboard, all we'll want to do is go to this data sources tab over here and click to open it up. Then from inside here, we have three options of bulk, change, and real time. We'll just do a simple bulk one today, and then under bulk you have three more options: file, folder, or query. And again, we'll just do a file, so we'll be doing a simple text file. Once inside here, you'll see all of your file data sources that you have set up before. As you can see, I've set up a couple, and then to create a new bulk file, all we do is go to this plus over here to create a new bulk file. And then you'll see three options: Excel, text file, and XML. For these three options, the only one that requires Microsoft Office will be this Excel one. These other two, you don't need any Microsoft products for. So for the text file, go ahead and select this option to get started. You will need to provide a description, so I will call this one test for text. And we will go through the rest of these options. So this will depend on your data source, what you actually have your text file set up as. CSV stands for comma separated value. Tabs obviously stands for tab delimited. Pipe, again, is just going to use a pipe instead of commas or tabs. And then custom, you can delimitate your own custom way if you have, say, like semicolons or commas, or not commas, periods or something. You can set up a custom one if that is how your file is set up. Mine is separated by commas, so I will use CSV delimited. Then you have the option to change the character encoding. Default is usually going to work best for you, but if you do know exactly what kind of character encoding, you have all these options to mess with. Then if your text file has column headers, you can select this box and it will set your column headers automatically if it finds them. And then if you want to select the file at runtime by making this basically a template file instead of a actual text file for source, you can do that right there. But we will not do either of these options because my text file doesn't have these. So I will now go to source file here. I have a just simple one set up right here. And as soon as I put it in, you can see it's valid by it getting grayed out and it generating all of these columns. So since I didn't select has column headers, none of these columns are going to be named very well, and it will just be 0 to 6. So right now, as is, it will be a valid file and I can preview it. So to go through this process, you have to validate. It will say it's validated successfully down here, unless it for some reason isn't. Then you can press save, and then that will unlock the preview button down here. And then you have saved a preliminary document for your text. So once I go into here, you can see it previews correctly. I can see all of my fields, and they do actually look correct. As I will bring it over, this is just what the actual thing, separated by commas, as you can see, and all the values look correct so far. So if I did want to go in and manually set some of these columns, I can by just going into here and Control A, name this one like test 2, and why not like a date or something. I don't even think that's a date one, but once you can see, I will show you what not to do. If you just go ahead and preview right away, the columns won't change, and you might be confused as to why, because right here they changed. We forgot to press save, basically. So once I hit save, it'll save, and the preview will actually update these column headers to what we're expecting. I was off by 1. And that is basically all you will need to do to set up a simple little text file for a data source in SmartConnect.com. If I close out of this, I can go ahead and find this file in my bulk sources and file here just by searching test for text. And you can see it is created here and saved correctly. If I want, I can go ahead and clone or delete or edit, and all of my stuff has been saved as expected. Every time you will need to validate and save to preview once you get back into there. But that is all you need to do to set up a simple text file in SmartConnect.com.